Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about an interesting topic, that is syndromes associated with nasal polyposis. Nasal polyposis may be associated with different kinds of syndromes. Today I have come across a patient. He came with nasal obstruction and I found that he has pansinusitis with nasal polyposis. His previous investigation reports show that his heart is on the right side, his liver is on the left side, his spleen on the right side. That is situs inversus. I asked him whether he is married or not. Actually, I was going to the fertility issue and he told me that he has some problem with fertility. He has done semen analysis previously and he showed me report. I saw that he has asthenozoospermia. So this patient who has nasal polyposis, has situs inversus, and he has asthenozoospermia. This is classical feature of carcinogenous syndrome. Also, the patient complains of chronic cough, and that may be bronchiectasis, which is another component of carcinogenous syndrome. So carcinogenous syndrome is one of the syndromes that is associated with nasal polyposis. This is autosomal recessive condition in which there is abnormal ciliary motility. Carcinogenous syndrome is actually a subset of primary ciliary dyskinesia. Then there is another syndrome which is almost similar to carcinogenous syndrome. This is Young's syndrome. In Young's syndrome, there is sinopulmonary disease and there is azoospermia. But in this condition, there is no problem of ciliary motility. This is due to abnormal viscosity of the mucus. The mucus is very thick here, which causes sinopulmonary disease, and also the thick mucus causes obstructive azoospermia. There is another syndrome which is aspirin-exacerbated respiratory disease. Actually, this was formerly known as Vidal syndrome or Samter's triad. This is now called aspirin-exacerbated respiratory disease, AERD. And the components of the triad are asthma, nasal polyposis, and excessive sensitivity to aspirin. Number 4 syndrome that is associated with nasal polyposis is EGPA, the eosinophilic granulomatosis with polyangiitis, EGPA. It was formerly known as Chart-Strauss syndrome. It is one kind of vasculitis and there is asthma, high eosinophil level, and there is a sinopulmonary disease or nasal polyposis. So to summarize, 4 syndromes are commonly associated with nasal polyposis. These are carcinogenous syndrome, Young syndrome, aspirin-exacerbated respiratory disease, AERD, eosinophilic granulomatosis with polyangiitis, EGPA. That's all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.